Dublin, the charismatic capital of Ireland, is a city that seamlessly marries its rich historical heritage with a contemporary vibrancy that's impossible to resist. Nestled along the banks of the River Liffey, Dublin beckons travelers with a captivating blend of culture, history, literature, and an inviting spirit that encourages exploration and connection. The city's history is palpable in its architecture, from the medieval splendor of Dublin Castle to the Georgian elegance of Marion Square. Trinity College, home to the illustrious Book of Kells and the stunning Long Room Library, stands as a testament to Dublin's intellectual legacy. Grafton Street and O'Connell Street, bustling thoroughfares that lead to landmarks like the General Post Office and the Spire, are the heartbeat of the city's urban rhythm. Dublin's literary heritage is celebrated at every corner, with sites like the James Joyce Centre and the Dublin Writers' Museum honoring the city's storied literary figures. The city's literary pubs, including the iconic Brazen Head, foster an atmosphere of storytelling and camaraderie that's deeply ingrained in Irish culture. Literary walking tours and pub crawls offer an intimate glimpse into Dublin's literary legacy and its profound influence on the world of letters. The Dublin Castle District and Temple Bar offer an eclectic mix of boutiques, art galleries, and artisanal shops that cater to all tastes, while the Temple Bar area is renowned for its vibrant nightlife, live music, and cultural events. The revitalized Docklands area, with its modern architecture and the striking convention centre Dublin, showcases the city's forward-looking attitude and its embrace of innovation. Museums and cultural institutions, including the National Museum of Ireland and the National Gallery, provide immersive experiences that showcase Ireland's history, art, and culture. The Guinness Storehouse, a mecca for beer enthusiasts, offers an interactive journey through the history of Ireland's most famous stout, culminating in panoramic views of the city from the Gravity Bar. Dublin's verdant spaces offer a respite from the city's hustle and bustle. St. Stephen's Green and Phoenix Park provide tranquil retreats, while the Dublin Zoo in Phoenix Park offers family-friendly entertainment. The city's proximity to the coastline adds to its allure, allowing for scenic coastal walks, fresh sea air, and even opportunities for water-based activities. The people of Dublin are known for their friendliness and crack, a term for fun and lively conversation, creating an atmosphere of hospitality that's truly inviting. From savoring a pint of Guinness in a traditional pub to exploring its literary nooks and crannies, Dublin invites visitors to become part of its vibrant tapestry. Whether you're tracing its historic streets, enjoying its cultural treasures, savoring its culinary delights, or simply soaking in its lively ambience, Dublin offers an immersive experience that captures the essence of Ireland's dynamic spirit and leaves an indelible mark on all who explore its charming streets.